Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our T800 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to try the health features included in the wearable. So, basically, we are going to check the heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring function and compare it with our Omron medical grade device. Okay, so we have here the device, and we're going to set it up and compare the results with our D800 Ultra smartwatch health functions. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, so everything is set. Okay, so we can start now monitoring our health, okay, with this Omron medical grade device. Then we'll check it with our heart rate here, monitoring the smartwatch here, the T800 Ultra, and see whether it has a close result to our medical grade device. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are now monitoring our heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, after that, let's check it with our smartwatch and see if we do have a good or close results. Okay, it's now checking. Okay, we'll see in just a few seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, 115/80, and we do have a 66 beats per minute here. Okay, so let's try with this one. Let's wear the smartwatch properly first. Later on, if we still have the time, we are going to have a simultaneous monitor. Again, the result is 115/80 with a 66 beats per minute. Let's go first with the heart rate. Okay. So we'll see. So we do have here 71. Okay. So it's a bit close. Okay. What about the heart rate or the blood pressure? Let's see. Okay. Again, remember we do have a 115/80 here. Okay. So 122/87. It's a bit far, but so far it's just okay. Okay. So at least 5 plus points. Okay. Here 7 plus for the diastolic. For the systolic, we do have at least 7 also. Okay, what if we do have a simultaneous monitoring? So we'll see. Okay, so let's change our position here. Okay, so let's try heart rate. And let's check. Again, it is 71. Okay, I'm going to check it again. So we'll see if we do have a random monitoring our 70. Okay, for the blood pressure, oh, that is blood oxygen. So 114/77. So 70 and 65 plus 5 points. Okay, so we'll see here in our blood pressure. So 120 over 85. Seems like we're just having a random detection here. I'm not really sure. Okay. It's always plus something. Okay, so this is much closer result. Okay. So again, we have, I will say just okay result. So we really can't say if this is really accurate or not. Okay, maybe we're just getting a random results here. Okay, as you can see, 122 over 84. So we'll see. Let's check. Okay, we have a random detection. I'm going to remove it from my wrist, and we'll see if we'll have a results here. If it says that I have to wear the smartwatch properly, so you can say that it's just it's a real true sensor for the blood pressure. If it shows another results here, we can say that it's all just a random. I guess it's all just random monitoring. I'm not wearing the smartwatch, but still it is showing the results. It is disappointing. Okay, sensor here. Okay, or smartwatch from T800 Ultra. Again, yep, seems like we do have a random, just a random detection, just showing some lights, but the truth is there's no sensor for the heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm correct. Okay, there shouldn't be results here for the blood pressure as I am not wearing it. Okay, or at least it should show a result, okay, previously, okay, monitored by the smartwatch, not a new result for the blood pressure. Okay, so 122 over 84. I'm going to tap it again. See, 117 over 83. Or maybe it has it monitors but just showing a random, okay, data. Okay, so that's it for our review of the T800 Ultra Smartwatch health sensor. So far, we do have an inclusive, okay, results for the heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, again, even though it shows a real or true heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, still the results is not used for diagnosing your health, okay, but as a guide only. Okay, so again, this is Smartwatch Specifications.com YouTube channel, and this is our review for the T800 Ultra smartwatch health sensors compared with a medical grade health sensors. Bye.